Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to locate Steam games already installed that you have backed up, no download needed. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, head over to search and type in File Explorer, then click on it. Once File Explorer opens, click on this PC and locate the drive where your Steam games are installed. For most people, this will be the C drive. Then open Program Files x86, scroll down and click on the Steam folder. From there, scroll down again and open Steam Apps and then click on Common. Inside this folder, you'll see all of your installed Steam games. Find the game you want to use. Once you've located the game folder, right-click on it and select Copy, then press Ctrl+V to paste it in the same location. This will create a duplicate of the game folder with all of the original files inside it. After the copy is created, make sure you take note of the original folder's name. Once you've done that, delete the original game folder. Now, right-click on the copied folder and select Rename. Remove the part of the name that says Copy along with the dash and press Enter. This will rename the folder back to its original name. After that, head back over to Steam, click Play on the game, and make sure you choose the same drive where the copied game folder is located. And Steam will begin validating the files instead of downloading everything again. Since all the files are already there, the process will be much faster, and that's how you do it, and that's it. So that's all for this video. Thanks.